Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's World. Today we are going to see how to prepare chikki or kadla mittai. We at home call it kalaka mittai. This is so tasty and I know that all of you will remember your childhood days and your mouth must be watering. So let's get started to prepare chikki. This is very simple and we require only 2 ingredients. So here I am taking 1 cup of groundnut and 1 cup of jaggery. This is 200 grams each. To start off with, heat a pan and add the groundnuts into it and roast it well. I am using raw peanuts or groundnuts, therefore I am roasting it. But if you've already bought roasted peanuts, then you can skip this step. There are 2 reasons we are roasting the peanuts. One is for the skin to be removed easily from the peanuts. Second is the nuts should be roasted. Only then it will be tasty and crisp. The skin of the peanuts have already started to peel off as you roast it. Been roasting for the past 5 minutes. I think this is sufficient. At this stage we can stop. So here I have peeled the skin from the peanuts and kept it ready. Let's go to step 2. Let's start preparing the jaggery syrup. For that, first add 1/4 cup of water, then add in the jaggery. As I said, groundnut and jaggery I have taken 200 grams. So add the jaggery. The first step is to melt it nicely. Dissolve the jaggery well. So jaggery is completely dissolved in the water. Don't make it thick. So at this stage you will strain the syrup. So now let's start caramelizing the jaggery syrup. I'm using the same pan. I've added the strained jaggery syrup and let's heat it for like 10 to 15 minutes now. Keep the flame on low and keep stirring continuously to make sure that the syrup is not burnt, and also the consistency has to be right. So it will take another 10 to 15 minutes. You can keep checking. So it's been 5 to 10 minutes now. The syrup has started to caramelize. Let's check the consistency. In a plate of water, just add in the syrup into it and immediately it should turn hard. When you should be able to break it into pieces. It should not be soft or it shouldn't be stretchy. This is still not done as I can still press it and it is soft. So this needs to crystallize further. Let's cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Keep stirring continuously and leave the flame in slow. Otherwise it will get burnt. Let's check the consistency again. Try to add it in a straight line. Don't touch it immediately, you'll burn your fingers. Let it cool for a few seconds. Now see, when you take it out from the plate, you should be able to break it into pieces. It should be crunchy. It should not be soft at all. This is the right consistency. If you still feel the caramelization is still not done, it is soft and stretchy, again leave your syrup to cook for 2 minutes and repeat the process. It needs to break. Without wasting any time, let's add in the groundnuts little by little into the sugar syrup. It will be a little hard when you're trying to mix it, but do it immediately. The groundnuts are nicely combined in the caramelized jaggery. Do it quickly, otherwise it will become hard. I have greased the countertop with oil and smeared a bit of maida powder, and I have transferred the groundnut mixture onto the countertop. You can use a plate instead, but this is easier. You can use chapati rolling pin to roll this out. We have finally flattened it, and now let's cut this into small pieces while it is still warm. Later it will be very difficult. Just make horizontal and vertical incisions or marks so that later you can break it. Here it is, the homemade chikki is now ready to be eaten. This is very crunchy, delicious and definitely better than store-bought chikkis. Just see how crunchy it is. Wow. This is a very healthy recipe because jaggery has a lot of health benefits for weight loss. It relieves joint pains, digestion and also improves immunity. On the other hand, groundnuts are rich in protein, good for your heart and brain, while it also aids weight loss and also helps to deal with anxiety and stress. So together, peanut chikki is healthy. Overall, it is also a very tasty recipe. Please do try this recipe for your family and especially your children. They would love it. And do like this video, give a thumbs up, do share and subscribe to my channel.